It was a cold morning when Adam left his small village with a backpack and a dream. He wanted to become a musician, but everyone told him it was impossible. His father wanted him to work on the farm. His friends laughed and said, "Dreams don't feed you." But Adam couldn't forget the sound of the guitar in his hands. He believed music was his destiny, not just a hobby. In the city, things were harder than he imagined. He played on the streets for coins, sometimes hungry, sometimes cold. People passed by without looking, but a few stopped, smiled, and dropped a coin or two. One night, after hours of playing, a woman approached him. She said, "You have something special. Never stop playing." Her words gave him new hope. The next morning, he went to a small cafe and asked to play there. The owner agreed to let him perform on weekends. At first, only a few people listened. But week by week, more people came. They clapped, smiled, and sometimes sang along. Adam felt alive. For the first time, he believed his dream was leading him somewhere. One evening, a man in a suit came to the cafe. He listened carefully, then spoke to Adam after the show. "I'm a music producer," the man said. "I think your songs could touch many hearts." Adam couldn't believe it. He had dreamed of this moment so many times while sleeping under bridges. Months passed, and his songs were played on the radio. He became known as the singer who never gave up. When he returned to his village, everyone looked at him differently. His father smiled proudly and said, "You found your way, son." Adam looked at the sky, remembering all the nights he almost quit. He finally understood that destiny is not written, it's created. Dreams don't come true by chance. They come true by courage, faith, and never giving up. He smiled and whispered to himself, "This is the road of dreams."